Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Having an organized entryway makes keeping my home clean much easier. This sunglass organizer is an excellent way to store and keep our sunglasses handy and in a convenient spot for when we're headed out the door. And it's nice to have a spot when we're headed back in to put them back so we don't lose them in the house. It holds 6 sunglasses. It's 3-tiered, so the sunglasses are displayed nicely and safely so they don't get scratched. And the clear holder makes it very subtle, and it blends easily with my decor. It was very quick and easy to assemble. I love having a nice and convenient place to store our sunglasses so they don't get misplaced, they stay safe, and they're always handy. And that's my point of view.